KidsVision TV.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Black color. Let's color with me. First, I am drawing its eyes. Pink color. I am coloring in blue. Oh no, it's looking so nice. Light green color. Light pink color in her frock.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color its body. Light green color. Its body has one layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, and the last one, fifth one. Light pink color. Let's color in a tail. Oh, it looks so pretty. Yellow color. I am cutting a nose.
Subscribe us for more videos.